Good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine. So today again we will do some of the problems, NCERT problems of chapter number 7. Can you see the pattern? Okay, these all sums are given in your NCERT book. So let's start first. So first we'll do this one, as you can see here. So let's check what is the pattern. See, 1 plus 3 equals to 4 equals to 2 into 2. Because 1 plus 3 equals to 4 and 4 you can write 2 into 2. Then 1 plus 3 plus 5 equals to 9. If you add this, you will get 9. And 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. If you add, you will get 16. And 16 you can write as 4 into 4. Then you see these gaps are given. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 equals to dash equals to this multiplication. This 3 you have to fill in the blanks. Then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 and then plus 13 up to. So this one, how can you fill it up? Here you see the pattern: 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4. Okay, and here just by adding you will get the numbers. So let's first add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. How much it will come? If you add 9 plus 7, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 3, 24 plus 1, 25. So here you write down 25. Okay, and in cross 25 can be written as, if you see this pattern, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, here it will be 5 into 5. Then again, if you add here, if you add this one, it will come 36. And 36 here you can write down 6 into 6, because 6 into 6, 36. Same number, see, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 5, 6 into 6. Next one automatically it will be 7 into 7. So let's first add. If you add this one, okay, here it will come 49. And 49 can be written as 7 into 7. Okay, this much. So this pattern you have to follow. See this one: 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 5, 6 into 6, 7 into 7. And this one, just by adding these numbers you will get. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now the next one is this one. It's written 1 equals to 1 into 1, 121 equals to 11 into 11, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 equals to 111 into 111, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here dash into dash you have to fill in the blanks. Again you see the pattern: 1 into 1, 11 into 11, then 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1. So next one will be 1, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1. Simple. Here 2 ones, here 3 1 1 1. So here it will be 4 1 1 1 1 1 into 1 1 1 1. Very simple pattern. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now let's go to the next one. Acha, this one I will come. This one is little bit lengthy, so I'll come at last. Okay, so let's go to the next page. First one is this. This is a mathematics riddle. So here it is written: take a number box is given. Achha, all these questions are given in your NCERT book. Okay, now let's start. So first box is take a number. So here I am taking my number. You can do with your number. You can choose any number. So first let's fill it up. Take a number. So I am taking, suppose, 5. I am taking number 5. Now it is given double it. Double it means this number, double means multiply by 2. It is already given. So this number you have to multiply with 2. So here write down 5. So 5 into 2, how much? 10. Okay. Now again it is given multiply by 5. Now which number you will multiply by 5? This answer, 10. So here write down 10. Yeah, it is already given 10 into 5. So your answer is 50. Okay, and last one is divide your answer by 10. Now divide your answer means this last answer, 50. So here you have to write down 50. So 50 divide 10, how much? 5. That means the number that you are taking, you are getting it back by following these lines. Okay. Now here I have taken 5. You can take any number. If you take the number 8, here you will get 8. If you take 20, at last also you will get 20. Same number you will get back. Okay. Now next one, this one. Again same thing. Take a number. So this time here I am taking 8. Then double it. This number you have to double. So here write down 8. So 8 into 2 how much? 16. Okay. Again double it. So this number again you have to multiply with 2. Double means multiply with 2. So here write down 16. So 16 into 2 how much? 32. Okay. Now add the number you took first to the answer. Now what is the meaning of this? Add the number you took first to the answer. This is the answer. And which number you have considered first? 8. So with this number you have to add the answer 32. So let's write down. Your answer is 32 and the number you have taken is 8. So if you add, you will get 40. Okay. Now again double it. Now the answer 40 you have to double. So let's down write here 40. So 40 into 2 how much? 80. And at last divide by 10. So divide by 10 means this answer. So here write down 80. 80 divide 10 how much? 8. So again you see the same thing. You are taking 8 and you are getting back the answer again 8. Okay. So this one also you are taking 5 and you are getting the answer 5, and here you are taking 8, you are getting back 8. So hope these two are clear to you. Okay. Now let's go back to the the lengthy part. That is the first question. This one. Now what is given, you can see here. Here given 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equals to 55. The answer is given. Now here some blanks are given. 20 and answer is 155. Now 21 plus blank 30 equals to, you have to write down the answer. Then plus 40 you have to write down the answer. 50, 60, 70. And here first you have to write down all these numbers. You have to add. You will get the answer. So let's start. So here first one is given. Okay. If you add these numbers you will get 55. So here 11 plus 12 plus, let's start. 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19. Okay. And if you add, this one is already given. It's 155. So no problem. Now let's start the next one. 21 plus 22 plus 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29 plus 30. Okay, now what will be the answer? First let me complete this one, then I will tell how to get the answer. This one also 31, then 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 plus 40 equals to, you have to write down the answer here. So 41 here, next one 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You have to write down the answer here. Then next one 51 plus 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 7, 8, 59 plus 60. You have to write down the answer. And the last one, again write it down first. Plus 70 equals to dash. Now you have to write down the answer. If you add from 1 to 10, you are getting 55. Similarly, 11, 12, 13, 14, if you add up to 20, you are getting 155. The next one, 21 plus 22, if you add up to 30, you get the answer 255. 255. Next one, if you add all these numbers, you will get 355. Now see the pattern. Here 55, only 55. Here 155, here 255, here 355. Now without adding, you can write down the answer. Again see the pattern. First one is 55. These are the answers. 55. Then 155. Here 1 is added. Then 255. Here 2 is added. Then 355. Here 3 is added. So next one will be without adding, you can write 455. Next one will be 555. And the last one will be, if you add, so without adding, your answer will be 655. If you follow the pattern. Again, I'm telling, first one is 55, 155, 255, 355, 455, 555, 655. You can also check your answer by adding all these numbers. So this one is the little bit lengthy. So I hope all these solutions are clear to you. So just go through the solutions once again, and in the next video I'm going to give the solutions of the worksheet and also the chapter test. Okay, so today up to this. Thank you.